Hi guys, Whitty here, and today we're going to be doing a little different of a video. It's definitely something I haven't done on my channel yet, but I spray painted one of these outside. We're probably going to do this video as well today. I don't know which one's going to come out first, but we'll see. Anyway, yeah, so I just have some spray paint on my hand. It's fine, just ignore that. Anyway, squishies. My dude, squishies. These are my two favorites out of the bunch we have today. So I'm assuming, because everyone in the world should have seen her by now, Mariah Elizabeth does squishy makeovers, and I am obsessed with those videos. They are so good, and they just make me want to do it. Like I watch her and I'm like, I really want to do it. So today we're gonna try. We got some pretty normal, cute looking ones I think she did this one on her channel. He has a lot of flaws with like the placement of where things were painted. They're very much off from when they should be. And then we have ones like this, which are just weird, and it reminds me of Fruit Loops. But yeah, it reminds me of that bird. This one's the worst. Just make sure you're sitting down, make sure you're ready for this. What is this? What is this? Tell me. The print is off and like everywhere. But then also, why does his mouth look like that? Why does he have a ketchup and mustard mustache? What did they do to you? Why? I don't understand. I also have this little guy who's just a little anger stress ball, but he has a big hole in the top of his head. So I figured we could fix him up. I don't know what we're gonna change him into yet, but I figured we could at least fix him up and then we can decide. What I might do is we might today just work on fixing them. We'll probably focus on these three, and we probably won't do them all. But these three need the most work. So we're gonna focus on these three. I might, with this one, I want you guys to tell me what you think we should make him into. He's just a little dollop. I mean, we could add him to somebody. I don't know why we would. We could. Or we could just keep him as his own little thing, his own little buddy. But what we're gonna do to him is we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna fill in his hole and we'll paint him a solid white. And then from there, I'm gonna wait for you guys to tell me what you guys want me to do for him. Okay. With this guy, I don't know. We could either change everything about him or we could leave him as a bird and just make him more realistic, or I don't know. There's a lot we could do with him. Again, I want to know what you guys want me to do with him, and then we'll do that. Just because I have some ideas, but I think you guys could definitely give me some better ones. So we'll probably not really touch him today. But this guy, he's getting his needed makeover. We're gonna keep him a shark because my sister-in-law is obsessed with sharks. So we're gonna keep him a shark. We're just gonna make him a cuter shark. And then we'll probably give him away to her. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, let's get started. So I went out today and I got some puffy paint to help fill him in. And I got some fabric paint. And a lot of these are very bright colors. This is the only pack they had, but it does have a black in there. So I'm hoping in the future to get more neutrals. But as of right now, this is what we have. All right, so we got some metallic-y ones, which I don't really see us using much of. But we'll just put those over there for right now. And then here are our other guys. She now put them in rainbow order. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this guy in with our puffy paint. I do not have any other like squishy type material to fill his hole with, but I also don't really think that his hole is that bad that he needs that. Okay. I'm gonna let him sit to dry now that he's filled up. Flatten that a little so it doesn't mess with the texture. I'm just gonna let him sit over there and he's gonna dry. Oh, now to deal with this guy. So, you know what? I think we are gonna use this metallic and we're gonna make him a metallic-y gray. Normally I'd probably do a, ooh, this is like nothing. So yeah, I would need to do a white coat, but since I don't have white, I'm gonna do a black coat. Let me know down below if any of you guys have done any squishy makeovers and how they came out. Also let me know if you want me to continue doing squishy makeovers. All right, first coat is done, and I will be back when they are dry and ready to keep going. Alrighty guys, that is the finished product of our little shark. He's not perfect, he's not amazing, but he's my first squishy that I painted, and I think he's cute. Like I said, definitely not perfect. But I hope you guys liked this video anyway, and that you guys are going to enjoy this series. Let me know down below what you guys want me to do with, here's my squishy bag. And I already have an idea for some of them, but some I do not. So, I'm going to go ahead and ask you guys, the ones I don't yet. What do you think I should do with our little zebra friend? Should I keep him as a zebra? Should I turn him into a horse? Should I turn him into a donkey? I don't know. What should I turn him into? Something. Could be many different things. And then we have this little pie, which the options are a little bit more limited, but we could do something with these two or with these two. You never know. We also have this unicorn head. And most of them are pretty good squishies, except for this one. This one's terrible. But anyway, these one, I don't know if I have an idea for the cake yet either. So we have this cake slice. But I've decided already I'm going to turn this one into my dog Ellie. And I'm going to turn two of these into my two cats. So let me know your guys' ideas for some of these guys, and I will keep those in mind. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, join the Witty fam, and have a great rest of your day. Bye!